How to view and edit tags in phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app. After click on phone app, click on recents. After click on recents, click on contact and you will see tags is here. If you want to edit tag, so you will edit tag from here and click on save. If you want to view, click on this three dot icon and click on view and edit tags, and you will see view. If you want to edit, click on edit. You will see. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can view and edit tags in phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.